You
I
are very
appreciate
welcome.
that.
Thanks for coming in.
The Blue Cross Blue Shield grant in 2022 has been funded in collaboration with the New Mexico Pharmaceutical Care Foundation and is funding immunizations in underserved areas of the state. We're targeting patients that don't have insurance or may not have insurance that covers vaccinations or may not have a provider in their area or in their small town and wouldn't receive care otherwise. So the outreach has been in collaboration with the Caravan, and we've been out in Pecos, in Ribera, Las Vegas, and then the South Valley in Albuquerque, providing immunizations and outreach with the Caravan. It's important for New Mexico because we have such a wide geography. There are a lot of areas in the state that are underserved, a lot of areas that don't have enough medical providers to care for the patients that are in some of those outlying areas. In addition, there's a lot of areas that are medically underserved because patients just don't have insurance and they wouldn't seek care or receive care if Blue Cross Blue Shield hadn't funded this grant. The New Mexico's Pharmaceutical Care Foundation selected providers across the state to best care for each corner of our state. So we've got pharmacists across New Mexico that are providing these immunizations, and as a pharmacist, I'm really proud to be working with Blue Cross Blue Shield and with the great outreach the Caravan's doing.
Anything that we touch lives in underserved areas, we're trying to get all those patients vaccinated. So there's also an impact to how many patients we can see, because the grant gives us not only expanded vaccine opportunities, but then now expanded vaccine clinics and events. And if I can go back to the pharmacy and vaccines are covered by a patient's insurance, then we'll reserve the grant funding for those that are truly uncovered. So that way we can touch and impact more lives utilizing the grant.
I've had the opportunity to talk with a lot of patients during the events, and I've found that they are just so appreciative of the outreach. They're very appreciative of the services being offered and the vaccinations that are being provided. I had feedback from them that they wouldn't have gotten their flu shot or wouldn't have had their COVID booster had the Caravan not been in their town or been at their senior center or at their church. This is the first year that the grant has been funded, and there's a lot of opportunity to do further work.